In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign using Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire signing process from the moment you receive an email all the way to completing and submitting your document. Even if you've never used Pandadoc before, by the end you'll know exactly what to click and what to look for so you can sign quickly and confidently. First, go to the email invitation you received from Pandadoc. In that message, you'll see a button that says Open Document. Go ahead and click that. This will open the document directly in your browser, so you don't need to download anything or install extra software. If it doesn't open right away, make sure pop-ups are allowed in your browser or try refreshing the page. Once the document is open, you'll be viewing it in the latest Pandadoc interface. At the top right, you should see a button labeled Start. Click this Start button. Pandadoc will automatically scroll and jump you to the very first field you need to complete, so you don't have to hunt around the document manually. As you move through the document, keep an eye out for fields that are highlighted, often with a colored outline. When you reach the spot where your signature is required, you'll see a designated signature field, usually outlined in red. Click directly on that signature field. This click tells Pandadoc that you're ready to add your signature there. After you click the field, a pop-up window will appear asking you to create your signature. Here you have three options. You can type your name and let Pandadoc generate a styled signature. You can draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a touchscreen. Or, if you already have a signature image saved, you can upload that file. Take a moment to choose the option that feels most comfortable and professional for you. Once you're happy with how your signature looks in the preview, click the button that says Accept and Sign. Your chosen signature will now be placed into that signature field in the document. Before you finish, quickly scroll through the document to make sure all required fields are completed. When everything looks correct, head to the top or bottom of the page and click the Finish button. This final step confirms your signature, completes the process, and automatically notifies the sender that you've signed the document. And that's all it takes to sign using Pandadoc.